The market for packaging machines has changed significantly in recent years, and our customers are requesting customized products more and more.
Personalizzati e customizzati.
In order to be able to keep up with this market trend, we had to transform our production process to make it more flexible and capable to manage the growing request of customized products.
Renderlo più flessibile.
We have almost 90 different workplaces along our production line, manned by skilled operators. Each needs the right material at the right time in order to maintain the takt time and to reduce unplanned stops during production.
With Op Center Advanced Planning and Scheduling, which is integrated with our ERP system, we can optimize the use of each workplace because the system has full visibility on the materials and parts that are available in our warehouse and the skills of our workforce, and can dramatically schedule production orders based on this data. Op Center Execution Discrete, the MES system, orchestrates production. Starting from the download of the production orders from ERP, Op Center drives the AGVs to the right workplaces along their assembly route, makes the correct electronic work instructions available at each workplace, in line with the order that is being produced, allows operators to sign off non-conformances, and make this information available in real time to the quality department. Thanks to the integrated capabilities of Op Center Quality, we can start corrective actions that allow us to have a continuous improvement process in place to detect production errors, reduce defect and rework costs, and overall optimize quality. We were impressed by the flexibility and ease of use of Siemens Op Center solution that quickly enabled us to achieve the targets of our Robopac Smart Factory initiative.
Sono risultati fondamentali.
Abbiamo ottenuto un vantaggio competitivo significativo.
Overall, we gained a significant competitive advantage. Now, thanks to the huge amount of data collected by Op Center Execution Discrete during the production process, we now have a powerful tool that allows us to keep our manufacturing system performances monitored in real time. The line monitoring dashboard is the end result of our digitalization process, allowing us to show, through monitors and electronic devices, the factory targets and performances achieved.
Rispetto agli obiettivi aziendali.
Oggi siamo in grado.
Today, we are able to manage the entire production line with greater reactivity and awareness. The digitalization of our processes, thanks to the Op Center integrated portfolio, has definitely changed the way we make strategic decisions and plan our production.
Ogni decisione strategica relativa ad essi.